Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals, and this item is called a ball stud with loop. We're going to use this to make a beautiful pair of easy hoop earrings. Also going to show you how to use this wire loop to do the same thing. So check it out. I got my 3 pair of pliers, my wire cutters, my flat nose and my round nose, 26 gauge wire, and the ball stud with loop, and my beads that I'm going to use. To attach the earring back to the end of the earring. I'm going to make a loop and then wrap the earring back onto the earring. I apologize. This next part of the video is so very blurry. So I want to show you a sample of a part of the end product, just in case you're not able to tell what it is that I'm doing. I'm using 20 gauge wire to make this spiral stud, and then the only difference is mine is going to have a little loop on it so that I could attach my other wire. So here I'm making the spiral that I just showed you a sample of. And here I'm making a loop so that I could put my wire onto my spiral stud. I used 20 gauge wire to make my spiral stud, so I'm going to go ahead and use the 20 gauge to also put my beads on the wire. So I cut a piece of 20 gauge wire and attach it to my spiral stud. I'm making a loop, and then I'm going to put my earring back on the loop and wrap it. If you like this video, please subscribe if you haven't. I have a goal of getting to 10,000 subscribers, so I would love it if you would help me with that. Please share the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment. All of that good stuff helps the channel, helps me to bring more and more YouTube DIY videos. So, all right, good people, this is Sherry, and as always, be blessed.